Hey guys, welcome back. So I have some exciting news to share. My husband and I, we bought a house. I'm so excited. Mainly because we have a basement in this home, which is going to be where my sewing area is going to be, which is so nice because in our last house in Texas, we just shared a spare bedroom, and so like one side of the room was where I had all my sewing stuff, and then behind me was my husband and all his computer stuff, and it was really small, and I felt bad because I started taking over, like my collection of sewing things started growing and started like migrating to his side of the office because there wasn't enough space on my side. But now we have a basement and this nice big open area, so I have plenty of space for all my sewing things, and I'm going to insert a clip at the end of this so you guys can see like the before, you know, what it looks like now, and then all my plans, and then hopefully we'll save enough money so by the time summer comes around it'll be nice and fixed up and I can show you an after. So fingers crossed. But before I show you that clip, I just kind of want to give you guys like a quick update. So like I said earlier, we had just moved here and we just bought a house and starting a new job. So because of that, I have a lot of training to go to this month. I'm actually going to be gone, I want to say, for the majority of the month. So there aren't going to be very many videos for January and probably not a whole lot leading into February. So I do apologize for that, but I'm simply just not going to have enough time because I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling for training. But yeah, so there's that piece. And then also I wanted to ask you guys, so I'm really into like, you know, home renovation, and that's one thing I'm really excited for, that we bought a house, because now I can actually, you know, fix things and decorate how I want, and I would like to share that with you guys. So I'm definitely going to share, you know, my sewing space, like the process, the before, the after, and all of that. And I was wondering if you guys would like to see, you know, different parts of the house when we get time and money to renovate it. Would you guys like to, you know, see like a vlog about that whole process, like the before and after, and then like, you know, the process leading to that? So leave a comment below, let me know if you guys would like to see that kind of stuff, because I would love to share that with you all. I think it'd be fun and exciting. You guys can go on this journey with me. Yeah, that's all I have. So I'm gonna start the clip on when we first moved here and showing you guys my new sewing space. Alright, thanks for coming by. I'll see you around. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So something exciting happened. My husband and I bought a house. It was really exciting, and because of this house that we got, I'm gonna have a sewing space. So I'm still gonna like you know, share the area with my husband, but it's gonna be in the basement instead of in a spare bedroom. So I'm gonna walk you guys down there and show you like before what it looks like, and kind of do some talking about what my plans are for that space. And then hopefully in a couple months, I'll be able to give you an update on what it actually looks like. So stick around, I'm gonna take you guys down there. Okay, so this is our basement. It's pretty ugly right now, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, it's kind of dark in here. Let me turn on a light and see if it gets any better. Okay, well that's something, I guess. Alright, so my sewing area is going to be over here. Right now there's like this like nook right here with these built-ins. I'm actually going to have a contractor come out and see. Hopefully they don't like support the ceiling or anything, and if they don't, I really want to knock them down. So this will be my area. So knock all that down. I want to put maybe some cute wallpaper up against that wall. And then over on this side, because there's like another, so you can kind of see how it's like a little nook. I was thinking about like having my husband build me something to put on this wall right here, so I could put all my threads on there. So I was thinking about doing an L-shaped desk and have the desk go this way and along this wall, and then maybe putting like a cutting table along here. And then my husband's, his desk is gonna go on this side. So you can see he already brought in some computer stuff. But yeah, so maybe, I lost my train of thought. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so maybe like a cutting table right here. And then, so we are gonna put a TV along here. I don't know, maybe. Because I still want to get some cabinets from IKEA to put all my fabrics and sewing supplies in, so I'm not really sure where those would go. So what do you guys think? Should I put the cabinets like along that wall and then put a cutting table, you know, in the middle right here, and then that would kind of divide up my husband's area from my area? Or just put the cutting table along the wall and then find somewhere else to put cabinets for storage? I don't know. I'm not entirely sure. So you guys let me know how would you, like if this was your space, how would you organize it? Could you guys give me some ideas? Because I've never had such a large space for sewing. I've usually just been I've been in a spare bedroom with my stuff all over the place. But yeah, so let me turn you guys around so you can see me. Sorry if this is echoey. There's nothing in this basement right now. Okay. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think, what you would do. Give me some ideas. And hopefully in a couple months I'll update you with my progress on what my sewing space looks like. Alright everyone, bye.